Today on my 91 Buick Park Avenue with the 3800 V6. We already replaced the spark plug wires and spark plugs, but we're still having a little bit of a misfire, so we're replacing the ignition control module. Symptoms: it's starting to get a little bit harder to start. The coils tested good, and the plugs and wires are all new. So this is really all it can be now. So we'll swap it out. First things first, I took a picture of all the coils so I can put them back in the order they're at. Next step is you got to remove 2 bolts off each coil that hold the coils to the ignition control module. They're a 5.5 millimeter bolt, so you just need a 5.5 millimeter socket. Okay, next bolt is what holds this clip into the module, and it is a 7 mil. Before I put the new one on, I'm going to clean that up because that's a little bit dirty. The old one here, it's really dirty. It got some corrosion on it, so this should all be cleaned up here. Here's the old and new for comparison. This one's brand new. It's all clean. I got that cleaned up, but I just use brake clean. I don't have a wire brush, so we'll see how that works. It's better than not cleaning it. Okay, for the next part, you place this down here, and the coils will hold them together to that plate down there. Each one of these bolts goes back through the holes, with 2 for each one, so 6 total. And this plate goes in between here and the coil. Okay, and remember, we don't want to tighten these too far because it's aluminum you're tightening it into. So just when you start getting snug, and just a little bit further. There, that one's good. That's the last one. So far, so good. These go bad pretty often on these. They're not uncommon. That was a brand new one. It was kind of expensive, but I'm gonna go into Rock Auto and I'm gonna buy just some cheap ones to keep around in case that one wears out. Okay, so far it drove a lot nicer. Continue the test drive here. See, that was nice because it was starting to misfire off idle. Like when you just start driving, it was starting to jerk and sputter a bit. Doesn't seem to be doing that anymore. Well, it ran really good. Didn't skip a beat. Engine light's still on, but that's okay. And it's not low on coolant. That sensor is just not good, I guess, but that doesn't bother me. It ran really awesome. Gotta love when you actually manage to fix a misfire.